Oh, you're alive and safe. That's the...
Pinocchio! Wow! That's a big name! But what should I call you? Oh, that's okay. I don't need a book. I don't really even need to go to school. But I guess I'm gonna get a book. Goodbye, Papa! And thank you! I'm gonna make you very proud of me. I'm going straight to school and make Papa very proud of me. I'm going straight to school and I'm going straight to... Oh, it's all for me and all for free! But she protected me, and then she told me that my Papa was coming to get me at her house. But then I had these bad dreams, and my Papa was looking for me all over the place, you know? So then, when I woke up, I ran out of the Blue Fairy's house just as fast as I could so I could meet him, you know? But then he... for me and all for free. Good, huh? I think maybe that means that we shouldn't go in there.